Evaluate learners on their discussion participation by grading discussion topics. This tutorial shows how to grade a discussion topic. From the discussions list, navigate to the topic you want to evaluate. Click the topic's context menu and select Assess Topic. Note: the Assess Topic option only appears if you link the topic to a grade item. The Assess Topic page displays. You are presented with a View Options menu, which allows you to change between Show Topic Score View and Show All Scores View. Navigate to the learner you want to evaluate and click Topic Score to assign a grade. If you have attached a rubric to the discussion topic, and the Assess with Embedded Rubrics feature is enabled, the rubric will automatically display in the Topic Score window. Here you can find the total number of posts a learner made. You can also view each post in detail. You have the option to enter the learner's grade into the Topic Score field, or by evaluating the attached rubric. Selecting the rubric levels the learner has achieved will automatically generate the topic score. Select the rubric levels the learner has achieved. Click Topic Score to override a rubric calculated score. During override, a Clear Override option becomes available. You can also provide the learner with additional feedback. When you are ready, click Save and Close. You are returned to the Assess Topics page. Select Published Grades for each learner you have evaluated to update your gradebook with the newly graded items. When you are ready, click Save and Close. Evaluate learners on their discussion participation by grading discussion topics.